Okay, today in math, we are going to start really diving deep into graphs and tables, and we're going to start with frequency tables today. So let's go ahead and read our essential question. It says, how can you use the strategy make a table to organize data and solve problems? So how can we use a table to organize data and solve problems? Let's unlock the problem. The students in Alicia's class voted for their favorite ice cream flavor. I have a favorite. Do you have a favorite? They organized the data in this tally table. How many more students chose chocolate than strawberry? Okay, so another way to show the data is in a frequency table. A frequency table uses numbers to record data. So instead of using tally marks, we can use numbers. So let's see how we can transform this tally table into a number table. So what do we need to find in this question? Well, it asks us how many more students chose chocolate than strawberry. So we're trying to figure out how many more kids like the chocolate ice cream than the strawberry ice cream. So let's answer this. How many more students chose chocolate than strawberry? It's not a very big space, is it? As their favorite ice cream. That's what we need to do. So what information are we given? Well, we have the data about favorite ice cream flavors in the tally table. So let's plan out a strategy. I can count the blank, then I will put the numbers in the frequency table. So what can I count on here? I can count the tally marks. I can count the tallies. Ooh, drop the Y and add IES. Rock on. To put numbers in the frequency table and compare the numbers of students who chose blank to the number of students who chose blank. This again is going to be chocolate and strawberry ice cream. Okie doke. So let's look at these two tables. We're going to convert tally marks into numbers. They've already written the word vanilla for us, so let's practice there. When I look at tally marks, if it has a line going through it like that, that means there's 5. So I don't even have to count those. I just know it's 5. So 5, 6, 7. I have 7 kids that like vanilla ice cream. I do too, with a lot of chocolate syrup and whipped cream and nuts and a cherry on top. Tasty. All right, so the other two that we need to look at then are chocolate and strawberry ice cream. And I'm just copying that from here and I'm bringing it down. So I'm taking the information on flavors from my tally table and putting it on my number table. Okay? So now let's look at chocolate ice cream. Again, if it has that diagonal line through it, that's 5. So I can start counting at 5, 6, 7, 8 kids like chocolate. And how many like strawberry? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kids like strawberry ice cream. So now that I have all of this data in numbers on my table, I can actually solve it. Let's count. We counted the tally marks and we recorded how many for vanilla. We recorded 7 for vanilla. We wrote that number down. To compare the number of students who chose strawberry and the number of students who chose chocolate, we're going to subtract. So we always put our biggest number first when we subtract. So the biggest number is chocolate, and that was 8. And then we have to compare it to strawberry. 4 kids like strawberry. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 more students chose chocolate as their favorite flavor next to strawberry. All right, this is how we can use a frequency table to help us solve a problem. On the next page, you'll see me do a couple more.